लकी हो तुम। ये देखो, शक्ल भी लड़की जैसी।
If you are a woman, you should not miss these Hindi language films. In some way, these movies encourage the whole genre of Indian women mentally. So here in AIOS, we have decided to put those movies together to make sure you watch this.
7 afternoons. 7 afternoons of how old people kiss.
Riya.
You took my clothes off.
Riya, stop.
Open your mouth, Riya. Riya, open
Stop
your
it.
mouth. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Before you start watching this video, subscribe to AIOS to get more lists like this every week.
What is the purpose of your visit to the United States?
Huh?
What is the purpose of your visit to the United
My
States?
sister is attending my wedding.
What?
Number 10, English Vinglish. Led by Sridevi and directed by Gauri Shinde, English Vinglish is a movie that surely tells a woman's story of self-discovery. This 2012 feature is a story of a woman struggling in her progressive family because of her lack of knowledge of English.
घर में नहीं पढ़ सकते?
तुम पढ़ाओगी मुझे इंग्लिश लिटरेचर?
She had to go to America to attend a marriage ceremony, but for her bad English, he decided to admit a spoken English class behind the back of her family.
Hello? English tuition?
Teased by her own daughter, this woman finally, by lots of experience and social problems, could successfully give a beautiful speech.
Sometimes married couple don't even know how the other is feeling. So how they will help the other?
Beautifully performed, this movie is definitely one inspirational Bollywood flick. Number 9, Mother India.
मेरे बच्चे भूखे. मुझे खाना दे. मुझे खाना दे.
Mother India is a 1957 epic drama film directed by Mehboob Khan and starring Nargis, Sunil Dutt, Rajendra Kumar and Raj Kumar. It's a remake of Khan's earlier film Aurat. It's the story of a poverty-stricken village woman named Radha who, in the absence of her husband, struggles to raise her sons and survive against a cunning moneylender amidst many troubles. Despite her hardships, she sets a goddess-like moral example of an ideal Indian woman.
मेरे रूप में आई हो तो अपनी लाज लुटते हुए भी देख लो.
Got its well-deserved Oscar nominations and several other awards and nominations, Mother India is a movie should be watched by every woman. Number 8, Mathrubhumi, A Nation Without Women. Mathrubhumi is a 2003 dystopian tragedy film written and directed by Manish Jha. The film examines the impact of female fratricides and female infanticide on the gender balance and consequently the stability and attitudes of society. Its storyline bears some resemblance to real-life instance of gender imbalance and economics resulting in fraternal polyandry.
मेरी बेटी तो डर जाएगी. वो आज तक पराये मर्दों से मिली ही कहां है. $1,00,000 के साथ एक गाय भी दे दूंगा.
It devisits a future in an Indian village populated exclusively by males due to female infanticide over the years. Is still considered as one of the boldest and shocking Indian movies of all time. Mathrubhumi is must watch due to its realism over ugly society. Number 7, Bandit Queen.
तो खरीद लियो मैं ठाकुरन से 25,000 में.
इंसान को अपनी कीमत मालूम हो अच्छा ही होता है.
The movie tells the story of Bandit Queen Phulan Devi who was sent to prison in 1983 and got free in 1988. During 5 years, she was prosecuted by the Indian police and turned into a legend like a modern Robin Hood by the Indian press. Although the press tended to make her the optimal hero with blue eyes, dark hair, being tall and beautiful she was, in reality an average Indian, which makes it hard for the movie to fulfill the expectations of the audience and tell the truth at the same time. Later in her life, she entered into politics and was assassinated in 2001. Admitted in big awards like Oscar and BAFTA, this movie also admitted in several film festivals too.
लड़का है या लड़की?
नहीं लड़का लड़की नहीं, इन्हें एडमिशन चाहिए.
Number 6, नीलबट्टे सन्नाटा.
इनको चाहिए?
जी.
कहाँ?
यहाँ.
About a relationship between a mother and daughter, Neelbatte Sannata is an emotional, fun watch over the struggle of a poor mother. Though not like Mother India, Neelbatte Sannata has its own signature.
अपेक्षा सिबलाल सहाय, मेरी लड़की है जहीं.
ओ 10th वाली है ना? फ्यूज्ड बल्ब है वो.
The movie has both its fun moments and teary scenes. It's the story of a maid who has a lazy daughter who doesn't want to study at all. Though the mother wants her child to become successful, but they always clash, sometimes simply but sometimes emotionally.
पास क्या हो गई, खुद को बहुत बड़ी हीरोइन समझने लगी है। अरे भाई है तू भाई।
To teach her kid perfectly, she admitted in her daughter's school, which created even more problems. Neel Bhatte Sannata shows the sacrifices of one mother in a very good way. Number 5, Piku.
Come on, yaar, Piku. He's saying that he has some decent drivers working for him.
माने गलती मेरी है।
एक्चुअली क्या है, सब कुछ म्यूचुअल होता है. You don't like them, they don't like you.
ऐसा उन्होंने कहा?
नहीं, कहा तो नहीं.
Directed beautifully by Shujit Sirkar, Piku is a movie to feel every scenes on it. It's a movie that reflects the ordinary life of a working single woman and her arrogant and independent father.
उसमें भी तसल्ली नहीं होती इनका, और आज तो हद ही कर दी है। कहे हम फिनाइल चुरा लिए, आप बोलो हम का फिनाइल चुराएंगे?
तो किधर गया फिनाइल?
बाबा एक मिनट,
हम पी लिया उसको। नॉनसेंस, नॉनसेंस बोलछे।
इनका मतलब ये।
They both fight almost every day. The stories of them is like a flowing river that has some stones in it. They decided to go to Kolkata one day, and in the journey they got Rana, a quite frank and sometimes moody their driver.
इतना पहले बोलना था ना, मैं मिनी बस लेके आता. ये
These three protagonists, though not much likely to be friends, but journey makes them connected.
ये बर्डन क्या लगा रखा है आपने? इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल करके पेरेंट्स को पता नहीं क्या सुख मिलता है. बर्डन होते आप तो दिल्ली के अंदर बैठे होते, कलकत्ता लेके नहीं जाती वो आपको.
With a great screenplay from Juhi Chaturvedi and great performances from the cast, the movie is fulfilled with raw emotions, and at the end, Piku is about every other woman. Number 4, Monsoon Wedding.
We found out what time the flight is coming.
Yeah, about 9 o'clock.
So make sure you are there on time and take this car only, okay?
Okay.
And don't put on the AC when you're going to receive them. Only put it on when you have received it. And park this car somewhere else.
Till its end, it's not possible to say why Monsoon Wedding is one of the must-watch movies for women. Meera Nayar's one of the most flawless work. In Monsoon Wedding, you can find a lot of small stories combined in one.
Tomorrow she'll be gone. Just like that in one day.
The whole movie is set on a wedding on monsoon season. An Indian-American family's daughter is about to get married, and everyone came together to attend the wedding.
After so many years, after Surinder Bhai Sahab passed away, I think this is the first time our whole family is here together.
In the movie, we can see how one family member named Riya started convincing her uncle Lalit about being sexually abused as a kid by one of the members of their family.
What happened?
It wasn't enough that he touched me when I was a girl. That wasn't enough that you had to teach Alia how older people kiss.
By thus, the movie showed its class as an eye-opener. Number 3, Lipstick Under My Burqa. A bold and aggressive attempt from Alankrita Srivastava, the movie was a collection of some realistically disturbing sexual events. A symbolic portrait of a battle between women's desire and their boundaries, the movie got a lot of love from the Indian film critics.
I'm Rihanna Bedi और मेरा गाना 7 Things से इंस्पायर है. लो आ गई भोपाल की ब्रिटनी नंबर 3.
Collection of 4 different stories, both containing facts of men dominating women. Even though contains scenes of cruelty, but the movie was made with humor through sexuality.
Hi.
With all these stories, Lipstick Under My Burqa showed that in any age it's hard for women, especially Muslim, to cope up with the society and at the same time fulfill their physical needs.
साड़ी पहन के मत चले आना.
उषा जी.
Number 2, Queen.
रानी मैं ये शादी नहीं कर सकता.
You surely heard about this one, right? Queen is definitely one of the most amazing Bollywood movies ever made, and this one amazingly reflected a tale about self-discovery through a shy and independent young girl.
हमारे स्कूल के सामने कॉन्वेंट की लड़कियां मतलब इतनी छोटी स्कर्ट पहनती थी, वो लोग फोल्ड कर करके हमने कभी ऐसे कोई गलत काम नहीं किए.
After her marriage getting cancelled just before a day, Rani decided to went to her honeymoon alone after so much crying and sobbing.
मैं अपने हनीमून पे जाना चाहती हूँ.
As she went to Paris alone, everything seemed new and she felt it hard to cope up, but as time passed by, Rani could enjoy herself and could feel the beauty of the people and the country.
Please get in the car.
तो सो गए.
Just get in the car and drive off.
मुझे ड्राइव करना पड़ेगा.
Don't give in that bullshit. Just get in the car and drive off.
It was a genuine life-changing journey for Rani that made her real queen in our hearts. Before you see the best of this video, here are some movies that deserve a mention.
Point is, प्यार करना है ना तो selflessly करो. You know, they say that if you love somebody, set it free. पूरे मोहल्ले के सामने मुझे बेइज्जत किया. मोटी सांड पता नहीं क्या क्या बुला रहा था अम्मा वो मुझे.
तो हाँ गलत क्या कहा है नहीं क्या तू मोटी सांड नहीं. चीखती थी मैं. मगर वो मेरा मुंह बंद कर देती ऐसे. मुंह बंद कर देती थी.
और कौन तय करेगा क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा?
Number 1, Pink.
Are you a virgin, Miss Aurora? हाँ या ना में जवाब दीजिए. Don't shake your head.
Pink is not enough pink. Even we can say it's grey. Most realistic, accurate and modern depiction of women in India, Pink reflected a lot of truths about the society that no other Hindi movie did before.
आपकी माँ, आपकी बहन ड्रिंक नहीं करती?
अच्छे घर की औरतें शराब नहीं पीती.
Directed amazingly by Aniruddha Rai Choudhury, the movie is about 4 women who trapped in a case of attempt of murder.
हेलो. हेलो.
तो चूल है यार इसमें. इसकी तो कायदे से बैठ. इसकी तो मजा आ जाएगा बजाने में.
Simply their lives turned upside down due to those misjudged events, and an older lawyer took their case, though he did not seem much mature, but in reality he was.
Sessions जज के घर पे जाकर एक इमरजेंसी बिल प्ली डालने को बोलो. यस, इमरजेंसी बिल प्ली. वैसे वुमेन और माइनस को बेल मिल सकता है नॉन बेलेबल ऑफेंस के लिए.
Pink reflected a lot of beauty through its classic filmmaking, and it will always be remembered as the landmark movie for women.
What did you say, Miss Meenal Aurora? What did you tell him?
I said no. No, don't. I said no.
So that's all in this video. Which movie do you think we've missed? Comment down below, and thanks for watching.